Can cat and birds be friends for our story time for today? Cat and bird are wondering if they can achieve the impossible. Can we be friends? At first, they aren't completely convinced. Cats and birds have absolutely nothing in common. Or do they? In a delightful tale, Coll Muir explores the magic of an unexpected friendship and how differences actually brings us closer together. Okay, let's find out. Good morning, Nina. I'm so happy to see you live. Let's do this. Can cat and birds be friends? Okay, let's find out. They're looking at each other. Can cat and birds be friends? For me and for everyone. Are you a bird? Yes, I am. Then I must eat you. Why? Because I'm a cat and cats eat birds. Why do cats eat birds? I don't know. It's always been like that. Can't I be your friend instead? Oh, I'm not sure about that. How would a bird make a good friend for a cat? Well, I know a fun box for a cat to play in. I love this box. I know the highest tree for a cat to get stuck in. This tree is very tall. And I know the best car for a cat to hide under. I agree. This is a fantastic car to hide under. Okay, bird, you can be my friend. Wait a second. How would a cat make a good friend for a bird? Well, let me think. I know the perfect wire for a bird to sit on. Oh, this is a lovely wire. I know where there are lots of twigs for a bird to make a nest with. These are super sticks. I know where there are loads of juicy worms for a bird to eat. Those worms are totally tasty. Okay, bird. We can be friends. But friends do things together, don't they, cat? Yes. Well, I don't like playing in boxes, getting stuck up high in trees, or hiding under cars. And I don't like sitting on wires, making nests, or eating worms. I think they've reached an impasse. You're right. If we're going to be friends, we've got to find something we both like doing. So, what do we both like doing? I like stretching. Do you? Not really. Do you like cleaning yourself in water? No, I don't. Do you like licking? No. Do you like flying? Of course not. I'm a cat. I guess that's it then. We have nothing in common. We can't be friends. Oh well, I think I'll just go home. I've got a painting to finish. Painting? I love painting! I love painting too! We can be friends! Yes, we can. Aww, look at them painting together. Well, at least they're trying to be friends. Aww, look at they go. That's right. We can be friends! Yay! Painting is the best. That's right, Nina. That's such a lovely, cute little story. Aww. Well, Coll Muir is a London-based illustrator and writer of children's books. After graduating from Edinburgh College of Art, he worked in the film and television industry. He has created characters for the British children's comic books The Piano and the Tandy. When he isn't writing or illustrating, he and his wife like to go on painting trips together. Aww, that's so sweet, Coll.